In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your App Store region or country. So first, open Settings and click on your name to your iCloud account. Once you're in your iCloud account, you then want to find Media and Purchases, which should be somewhere near the bottom of the screen. Then click View Account. Then it will open up your account. You may have to enter in your password. Once you've done that, you'll see country/region. You can go ahead and click on that. Now, two things are going to happen. You're either going to be allowed to choose a country or region, we'll get to that in a second, or it's going to tell you have active subscriptions and you can't do it. If you can't do it, you need to go ahead and open up subscriptions. So go back and click subscriptions. Inside of subscriptions, you can then go ahead and click on any existing subscriptions and just cancel or pause them for a second. You can't have subscriptions going out every month with a bank account from country A and change to country B. They must be the same. Once you've cancelled subscriptions, you can then go back to country/region. Now I'm going to change my country to United Arab Emirates. We can then click continue. Agree to any terms of service, and then you are going to need to add a payment method from that country, so have your credit card or debit card ready. Once you've added those details and you've clicked done in the top right hand corner, your country and region will now be changed. You can then click done again, and there you go, you've now changed your country or region.